we've made it up here to Mass. Been fishing it since about 9:30 this morning. We could have got up here a little earlier if I would have woke up a little earlier, but it didn't. It's okay. We're still having a great day. Perch up here are freaking jumbo, ginormous. They're awesome to jig. I got an 18-inch rainbow on jig. That was cool. I didn't take a picture. I wanted to let him go. Had him out the hole a little too much, trying to take out the hook out of his mouth. Jigging John got himself a couple nice jumbo perch on the flags. He's got a nice little rainbow trout that came up on a dead sticking Swedish pimple. And yeah, we're jigging. You got doubles out of some holes. Nice jumbo meaty perch, man. It's 1:03. Snow has begun. The impending snowstorm is upon us. The adventure will continue when we have some more fish. We maybe get some on video. And the drive home. It's gonna be fun. Survey says jumbo perchy. A baby perch. Baby perch. Wrong way, feller. There you go. Straight down the hole. You don't want to go down there. There's something down there looking for him. Nice. And just hit it again. Flag up.
Dropped it. Dropped it.
And that, folks, is a screw and shoe. Nice yellow perch.
Oh.
Dude, that thing is a cow perch. Hold that cow up. Yeah.
There's a stomach on that.
Look at that thing, man. Wow. That is a nice perch, man.
Thank you.
Okay, it's about 3:40. I don't know if you can hear me. It's quite damn windy. And we are in blizzard conditions. We have waited it out as long as possible. It's snowing, it's windy, and it's cold. What a great day up here at Lake Buel. A lot of nice perch, trout. Jig and John can kind of see him in a snow blizzard. Yeah, time to go for a walk. Can't see. It's in my face.